Hi friends, this is Nalani, your personal Cinder and Sky stylist. I wanted to jump on here and show you how to apply a Cinder and Sky nail wrap set to your nails. So today I picked a super shimmery snowflake set. And I don't know if you can see on the back, but there is clear instructions on how to apply it. But I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the tips and tricks that I've learned along the way in hopes that this will help you to apply a flawlessly awesome set. In your package comes a sealed little wrap and 2 alcohol prep pads and a super cute little nail file. Okay, now I'm personally not going to use this nail file today. I'm going to use this one that Cinder and Sky gives you when you onboard, when you join the company for $130. You get a huge kit with a bunch of wraps and a bunch of these nifty little things. Okay, all right, so here's my set. I don't know if you can see how gorgeous it is. Very pretty. It's a dark blue. So you're just gonna rip the top. It comes right off. And you're gonna pull out your 2 comes with it, or in it, okay? All right, so what I do, first thing I do is I take them all apart. I do it for the second set too. I take them all apart. You're gonna have to match up to your nails what is the right fit for your nails. Okay, now the next step is I take my alcohol prep pad and I open it up and I put it on all of my nails. That's really important. It helps to make sure that your nails are clean so that the sticker will adhere to your nails properly, okay? So you just want to make sure it's on all your nails. Okay, I kind of just wipe over it like I'm using nail polish remover. Really, I just kind of want to get in there and give it a good clean wipe, okay? And make sure you kind of like wipe to your cuticle. All right, so my hands are clean. I have alcohol pad prepped all my fingernails. Now you're going to figure out which strips are the right size for your fingernails. So, and I generally also get scissors, and I have short nails, and so I can use the same set twice on my nails and on my feet. So I can really get 3 uses out of it. Okay, so I have the scissors. I know that I'm going to use this. So I'm going to peel off this protective layer. You definitely want to peel this off prior to adhering this to your nail. Otherwise it'll look really goofy, okay? And then I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so now there's this little silver strip. I don't know if you can see this little silver strip, okay? So you kind of just want to take the little silver strip and then pull, okay? And then there is your nail strip, okay? I have it. I'm gonna get it on my nail. I always push my cuticles back at this point, put it on my nails. Okay, so here's the other amazing thing that I think differentiates us from other companies like Color Street. I don't know if you've ever tried to apply Color Street, but often when you apply it, it rips on you. It doesn't stretch. Cinder and Sky nail strips actually stretch. So this set, I'm gonna stretch it. I just take plain old nail clippers. Look how amazing that looks. Another tip that I think is really important if you have short nails is because I cut them in half, I use 1/2 for one fingernail and 1/2 for the other fingernail. So that's kind of really awesome. So I just did 1/2 on this fingernail. All right, friends, thanks for jumping on to learn how to apply a Cinder and Sky nail wrap set to your nails. If you thought that this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because more amazing Cinder and Sky videos are coming and I don't want you to miss out. Bye!